to sign up as an Uber Eats driver step by step, the first thing that you would need is this particular app called Uber Driver Drive and Deliver. So after downloading this application, you would need to open the application, and in here this is the first page that you would see. So in here, if you do not have your account, what you're going to do is simply add in your email address or your phone number, then tap on continue, then go along with the process of how you can create one. But if you do have your account, all you need to do is add in your credentials and log in like that. So in here, if you ever want to link your account with any of those platforms, you can tap on them. If you cannot find your account, you can tap on find my account and go with the further process of how you can find it. So right now, let's say this is my email address, and then I'm going to tap on continue. Then after doing that, you would receive a 4-digit code on your email. So simply open your email inbox, and in here simply write that code back on your Uber. So after writing that code, here you can see your email address has been verified. Now we'll get to the further process of how you can register. So these are all of the documents and information that Uber needs in order for you to be a Uber Eats driver. So what you're going to do is add in your profile picture. You'll need to activate your wait list too. So in here, add in your driver's license, TLC license, your insurance card, your vehicle registration, your NYC DMV inspection, and also a vehicle permit. And lastly, Uber would also require to have a background check, so tap on that. And in here, all you need to do is add in all of the documents and the information required by Uber. And after doing that, your registration will be registered to Uber, and Uber will recheck it. And within few days, if you are eligible, you will be able to become a Uber Eats driver. And that's it.